Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I always wanted a way to track how I was feeling each day, something other than just writing it down on paper. So I came up with this fun idea. Every night, I crochet a tiny flower using a yarn color that matches my mood, and then I drop it into a glass jar. Dark blue is for tough days, light blue for days that were a bit hard, light pink for days when I felt good and peaceful, and dark pink for super happy days when something really exciting happened. Now I have these cute little mood jar that fills up day by day. Plus, crocheting a flower each night is like a mini 2-minute meditation before bed. The flower is super easy to make and literally takes just 2 minutes. Let me show you how to crochet these tiny flowers with and without a magic ring. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more cozy crochet content. For this video, you will need a 2.5 crochet hook, scissors, and any color of yarn. Before we get started, I would like to show you my YouTube channel in just 20 seconds. This is my channel where I post videos on crochet projects, crafting, and more. Remember, if you like what you see and want to stay updated on my new videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications. Thank you for your support. First of all, we want to crochet this lovely flower without magic ring. So first, make a slip knot. Now chain 4. After 4 chain stitches, find the second chain stitch and work 1 double crochet. Then chain 3. And then in the same place as the double crochet, work a slip stitch. The first petal is completed. Then chain 3 and then work a double crochet where you made the first double crochet. So find the root of the first double crochet and work another double crochet. Then again chain 3 and again work a slip stitch into the same stitch as the double crochet. Next, again chain 3, again 1 double crochet in the previous place that we made the previous double crochets, 3 chain stitches, and again 1 slip stitch. Repeat the same pattern. We need 5 petals for our flower, so we have to repeat this pattern 2 more times. This is gonna be the last petal of the flower. After the slip stitch, cut the yarn. Bring the yarn end to the back. After that, you can cut the yarn. Before cutting the yarn, you can make sure that everything is secure enough. And after that, cut the yarn ends. We made this tiny flower without using the magic ring technique. If you want to use this technique, keep watching. To crochet these tiny flowers with the magic ring technique, first of all, make a magic ring. This is my method to make the magic ring. I just keep this X between my fingers. After that, I draw the yarn and the magic ring is completed. Now, chain 3. And then work 1 double crochet in the magic ring. After that, again chain 3, and then work a slip stitch in the magic ring. We need 5 petals for each flower, so we have to repeat this pattern 5 times in total. This would be the second flower. Now you can pull the yarn to close the magic ring and work easier. Continue working. This is gonna be the last petal of my tiny flower. This is the last slip stitch. After the last slip stitch, cut the yarn, bring the yarn ends to the back. Pull the central yarn to close the magic ring. Make sure the yarn ends are secure enough, and after that, cut the yarn ends. And that's the end of this video. I hope your jar is always full of pink flowers. If you like this video, please subscribe. Every time you do, I get super happy and I add one more pink flower to my jar. See you next time.